Dear students, in the previous session, you already learned about how to write a chemical equation. In this class, we shall study about how to balancing a chemical equation. The balancing of equation is very important according to law of conservation of energy. Yes, this law states that the energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form to another form. For example, water can be converted into steam, again steam is converted as water. In the same way, in balancing equation also, the number of atoms of left hand side must equal to number of atoms of right hand side. Now, come to balancing the chemical equation. Take for example, in your previous activity, we already know that magnesium reacts with oxygen to produce this magnesium oxide. Here, this equation is skeletal form of the equation. Here, the number of atoms of the left hand side not equal to number of atoms of the right hand side. So children, now let's balance this equation through the steps. In the step 1, put box on either side of the equation. See children here, put box on either side of the equation like this. And next, draw a table. In this way, we draw the table, and here this table contains 3 columns. First column, elements column. Second one is number of atoms of the reactants of LHS. Third one is number of atoms of products in RHS. And observe this equation. Here elements are used, magnesium and oxygen. Write in elements column like this. And look at this equation and count the number of magnesium atoms. Here only one magnesium atom is there, write 1. And look at oxygen. Oxygen is having 2 number of atoms, right here 2. In the same way, see the RHS of the equation and write number of atoms of magnesium and oxygen. Both are having only 1 number of atom, right here 1, here also 1. And in the next step, choose maximum number of atoms. Look at this table and choose maximum number of atom. Here which is maximum number? 2. So oxygen is having 2 maximum number of atoms in LHS. Now we shall go to balance this oxygen in RHS of the equation by multiplying 2. Like this, 2 ones are 2 is equal to 2. This 2 is right in front of the equation of RHS like this. Observe children. Now oxygen is going to balance. But at the same time, here magnesium is there, you know. This magnesium is also going to balance with 2 like this. And observe this table. Now magnesium is imbalanced when we compare LHS with RHS. Here already in RHS, magnesium is having 2 number of atom, but in LHS there is no 2. So in the next step, we balance magnesium on LHS. How to balance this magnesium now? Again, we have to put 2 and multiply with 1, it become a 2. This number 2 is put in front of the magnesium. Now, count the magnesium atoms. Here, magnesium is also 2. Now, this equation is said to be balanced. But at the last step, we have to write symbols of physical state. The symbols of physical state is give more information about the reaction and clear understanding of the reaction. Now, solids are represent as S, liquids are represent as L, gaseous state is represented as G. Now come to children to the equation. Magnesium is in solid state, write as S. Oxygen, we know that is in gaseous state, write as G. And we get a product here, magnesium oxide, in the form of a powder. Powder is in solid state, write as S. Now observe children, this equation is balanced and more informative, and it gives clear information of the reaction. And the children, we go to the next another example. Take for example here, iron reacts with steam. It produces iron oxide with liberation of hydrogen gas. This equation is in skeletal form. This equation is going to balance through the steps. In step 1, put box on either side of the equation. Put box on either side of the equation like this. And next, draw a table. Draw a table like this. Observe here, this table contains 3 columns. First column is elements column. Second one is number of atoms of reactants. Third is number of atoms of the products. And observe the equation. Here, the elements used here is iron. Write here iron. And hydrogen is here. Write here hydrogen. And oxygen is also one of the element. Write here oxygen. And observe carefully this equation. Write number of atoms of the reactants. Iron is having only one number of atom. Write here 1. Hydrogen is 2. Write here 2. Oxygen is having only one number of atom. Write here 1. In the same way, look at left hand side of this equation. Iron is 3. Number of atoms, write here 3. Hydrogen is 2. Number of atoms, write here 2. And oxygen is having 4. Write here 4. Step 2. Choose maximum number of atoms. Dear student, observe this table carefully. The maximum number is 4. The oxygen is having maximum number of atoms, that is 4 in left hand side. Now let us go to balance this oxygen in RHS, that means right hand side. How much is multiplied with 1? It become a 4s. 4 is multiplied with 1, it become a 4. The same number 4 is right in front of the water like this. Now observe, oxygen is balanced. Here oxygen is balanced. At the same time, hydrogen becomes 4 2s are 8. At the same time, the same number 4 is multiplied with the 2. It becomes 8. Now hydrogen atoms are 8. Only in RHS, hydrogen is 8. Now going to balance this hydrogen in LHS by multiplying 4 with 2, it become a 8. This number 4 is right in front of the hydrogen in equation. Now observe, oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is also going to balance by putting the 4. The remaining one is now iron. Observe the table. 3 is present in LHS of the equation. This 3 is going to balance in RHS of the equation by multiplying 1 with 3. 1 is multiplied with 3, it becomes a 3. 3 is put in front of the iron in equation like this. Now observe, this equation is balanced, but now check out each elements are balanced or not. Observe here, iron in RHS is having 3 number of atoms, in LHS is also 3. Now come to hydrogen. In RHS, the number of atoms are 8. atoms are 8. Observe oxygen. In RHS, the number of atoms are 4. Here observe the number of atoms are also 4. Now this equation is balanced. This equation is going to more informative by writing physical states. Come to the last step. Write symbols of physical state. Iron. Iron is taken in the form of a solid. Write yes. Write here yes. And water is taken in the form of a steam. Steam, as you know, that is in gaseous state. Write G here. And the product is iron oxide. Iron oxide is in solid state. Write as S. And hydrogen gas is liberated. The gas is represented by the symbol G. Observe here, this equation is more informative and easily understanding the chemical reaction. Dear students, up to now we discussed about how to balancing a chemical